Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video, we're going to make these peppermint bark brownies. These rich fudgy brownies are loaded with chunks of Ghirardelli peppermint bark candies and our next level holiday indulgence. Every bite is the perfect mix of chocolatey goodness and festive peppermint crunch. Before we get started, don't forget to check out my new holiday cookbook that is linked in the description and has 31 of my favorite holiday treats. Now take a minute to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of sugar, 1 cup of melted butter, 4 beaten eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 26 Ghirardelli Peppermint Bark SQUARES. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, sugar, vanilla, and melted butter. Add the wet ingredients to the flour mixture and fold together with a spatula. Then stir in the chocolate chips. Prepare the baking dish by spraying it with nonstick spray and adding a sheet of parchment paper. Pour half of the brownie batter into the dish and spread evenly. Unwrap and roughly chop 10 of the peppermint bark candies. Sprinkle the chopped peppermint bark over the batter. Then pour the remaining brownie batter over the bark and spread evenly. Bake the brownies at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until the center is fudge-like but not dry. Remove from the oven and cool for 10 minutes. Unwrap and roughly chop the remaining candy pieces, then place the chunks on top of the warm brownies. Allow them to soften for 1 minute, then use a spatula to gently swirl the melting bark. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Lift the sides of the parchment paper to remove the brownies from the pan. Use a sharp knife to trim the edges, then cut the brownies into squares. I hope you love these peppermint bark brownies as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to check out my holiday cookbook and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time!